Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some of my new Wild Republic Audubon bird plushes with the real bird calls. So I got the scissor-tailed flycatcher, the black-throated blue warbler, and the yellow-rumped warbler. Let's start with the scissor-tailed flycatcher. It's loud in here, so I'm gonna put him up to my microphone.
Hold on,
That's his sound.
I don't think so.
And this one is the black-throated blue warbler, and this is his sound. Might have to put it up to my microphone. This one isn't very loud. That's that one. Then the last one, the yellow-rumped warbler. So that's all the new ones I got. See ya.